Do you hear that? That is Olivia's mating call. She sings like that when she wants to have babies. So she'll sing, and then over here, the boys are preparing the nest. You know I'm not going to let them have eggs in this bag. They think that's their nest. It's not. Their nest is actually over here underneath the table. You can kind of see the side of it. That's their nest. And there she is. Do you hear her? She's singing the song. You should go say hi. Go say hi. She's ready. I'm not ready for you guys to have babies, but she's ready. Means I have to be home to take care of them.